Hello and welcome to vlog number 3. This week we got up to a lot of stuff later in the week. I'm still off work. I haven't started work yet, so this is still my summer vacation, I guess. Everyone else is busy. We are crazy busy with softball. A lot of away games right now. Luckily, Evelyn and I aren't playing on the same night too much, so that's very good. I can just take myself after my game, or I can take her and we don't have to worry about juggling. Anyway, so take a look at what we did this week. Hi everyone. I have sucked at vlogging this week, so I'm going to try and get the rest of the week. Tonight we are heading out to Kenmore for Evelyn's Kemptville for Evelyn's baseball game, which means road trip, about 45-minute drive, which is our farthest field that we play at, and I'm super excited and hopefully I remember to vlog it.
It's not lacrosse, honey. Go, go, go! Go, Evie! Go, go, go! Yes!
Work out.
Get the bat, Amber.
Emily, get the bat. You love to ride on the
Hey guys, so it is Friday night and Daddy and I have come out to Britannia Park to do some birding. Yes, nerdy, I know, but I've started to enjoy it, so I tag along when I can. And it's just super pretty, and the sun's getting about to set. It's about 8 o'clock, I think, and it's just super pretty, so I wanted to share it with you. It is pouring rain out, like torrential downpour. It's crazy. This is the puddle at the end of my driveway. So Evelyn and I have a tradition of going and dancing in the rain if there's a huge downpour. I'm staying on the step to keep the camera dry, but she has gone out and is dancing in the rain and getting soaking wet. Quite funny, really.
This is how wet Evelyn got from dancing in the rain for about 2 minutes.
A couple nights ago, I took Evelyn out to the Ball Diamond to practice a bit because she wasn't feeling well Sunday evening, or Sunday after church she wasn't feeling well, so she didn't go to practice, but she still wanted to get out and practice. Anyway, we went to the Ball Diamond.
Ready?
That one.
Good swing. Here, I have another. Ready? Hit it back to me. Good swing. Ready? Yummy, 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 homemade food, so yummy, 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 yummy.
Do I know which one?
Yummy, 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 yummy. Are you gonna smile? Hello everyone, it is Sunday night and we are at La Mer Bleue, out for our weekly nerd prowl. It has been a wonderful day. Church went surprisingly well, I'm told. I was leading the service and everyone was singing and we got lots of compliments, so I guess that's a good thing. We are just finishing up here and, well, we just started, but we're going quickly because it's quite cold. It's cooled down quite a bit.
It's not cold. It's
And
mosquito.
it's very mosquito-y. Look how cute Evelyn's little head is. Look at this. She's so cute with her little ears. Looky-doo, looky-doo. And we were at ball practice earlier, and she missed a pop fly and took it right to the lip. Move your fingers. Yeah, so she's got quite the look. She has a wound to show tomorrow night at her game. I hope everyone had a wonderful day. So for any of you who watched my vlog a couple weeks ago, right around here there was a slate of wood that said danger, no nails, which for someone who doesn't like bridges or anything suspended above water was very scary, but look, they fixed it. It's all safe and yay, and not gonna die. This part of the boardwalk, however, is floating on the water, which I do not like whatsoever because I hate bridges. So pretty. This is truly one of the beautiful sunsets I've ever seen. It is absolutely amazing. And it goes right across the sky. It's amazing. Hey everyone, it is Sunday night and I'm just doing a little bit of editing while I wait for the Grace Helbig show to come on at 11 o'clock. If you haven't watched the Grace Helbig show, I highly recommend it. It is one of my favorite things on TV right now. It is so good. I just wanted to say thank you for watching this vlog. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, because apparently that does things on YouTube. I don't know. And let me know if you'd like me to keep posting these vlogs, if you're enjoying watching what I get up to this summer. If you like seeing our crazy shenanigans. Also, let me know. I'm thinking of starting to do some other videos. Evelyn and I have a couple ideas, but let me know if you'd like to see that. If you have any ideas for other videos we could do. We're pretty much willing to try anything. I think we have a couple musical things up our sleeve. So let me know, and remember, you're beautiful.